Hey guys, next up for mods is this. I just recently purchased this. This is a Modellista automatic Altezza cluster, which is very rare because mostly the ones you see are for manuals and this one's for an auto. Now the stuff needed to install this, you would think is, hey, just stick it in. That's true. 2002 to 05s are plug and play up to a point. First off, I want to make that work, which is the oil pressure gauge. And in order to do so, I need a Sequoia, Toyota Sequoia, oil pressure sending unit. That's this right here. Another item is that if I want the tachometer read correctly, which is, this is for meant for a 4-cylinder, of course the IS300 is 6-cylinder, and if with the option of setting the speedometer to miles per hour, something else that I need. And that's this. Let me turn it around. Which is from Dakota Digital, the SGI 100BT. It has both boxes built into one. So just one common power, one common ground. What I need to install these is a Phillips head screwdriver, some crimps, and some extra wire. And first step is to go to the car. Okay guys, here's what we're doing. I need my screwdriver. I'm gonna bring that down there. There's gonna be a screw right here. Now normally there would be 2 screws up here, but I've already removed them a few years back dealing with an experiment which never happened. So you just pull hard and you have a disconnection. You have a connection over here which you can't see, but it's for the dimmer. Now we have we take this all the way out. That's 1, that's 2, that's that out. See the missing pin right there? That is pin 1. For everywhere else in the world, except I think here in the US and Canada, that pin is used for the oil pressure gauge. And it's not used here, because we have an oil pressure sensor. First step is we gotta lift this little thing up, this release, and add this pin to that connector. And then we can begin the fun of cutting and crimping wires. Let's see how well this goes. Okay. I believe that, I don't even know how this goes. I guess it goes upside down like that. It's open, so oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Oh. Oh, I think it's in. Yeah, it's in. Pin 1 is in. Alright. Okay, so I got the power and the ground wired up to the Dakota box. Power is being run off of the cigarette lighter power, which is the pink wire. And ground is all the way up here. You can see that. I've also just ran the wiring for pin 1 from under the hood. If we look to the upper right here, you see oil filter. Right here is the new oil pressure sending unit. There used to be a sensor there. I took it out from up top by taking a large socket and sticking it right over it. And then I put that on hand tight just for now. There's no leaking. I'm still going to tighten it up. Okay, so now we have, there's the Tach wiring down there, and I've also decided to add wiring for the speedometer. This is the input right here, which comes off of pin 12, which is right below pin 1. And then we have the output, which is out 4 right here. Hopefully the damn thing will actually focus. There you go. This is out 4, and that goes right back into pin 12 into the connector. So it's sitting back here where the main bar is that holds the dash on. It's being held there by Velcro, so I have the option to take it out if I need to. I might have overdone it though, because I picked some really strong Velcro, but it works, and everything's been tested out fine. So let's put the cluster back in. And now we have everything connected. All the screws are back in. Now if we, I gotta move all this back up because I've moved everything. Okay, so that's all good. That's all good. So now if we turn the key to the on position, come on, can you please? There we go. I've driven the car because I've been calibrating the speedometer. So if I but yeah, there we have everything functioning.